We are here for the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Governor, Nairobi City County. My Lord the Judge, Your Excellency the Acting Governor, and Her Excellency the Deputy Governor designate, by a Gazette notice, date number 208, dated and issued on the 15th of January 2021, the gazettement of the Deputy Governor designate, Madam Ann Kananu Mwenda, was made, and it shows that the ceremony is supposed to take place today at 12:30 p.m. at the KICC Commercial Grounds. My Lord, I confirm that right now it is 1:46. I therefore call upon the judge to take his place. I'll also call upon Madam Ann Kananu to take her place.
I, Ann Kananu Mwenda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I will do justice to all in accordance with the constitutions and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Take your seat.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, we are now going to invite the judge to formally present the oath to the newly sworn-in Deputy Governor of Nairobi County. Thank you so much. I want to confirm that it is 1:51 p.m. and we have concluded the session before 2 p.m. Thank you. Back to you.
Asante sana, judiciary washamaliza mambo yao. Sasa tutaomba DG designate atupatie hotuba. Karibu.
Good afternoon. Surely this is the day that the Lord has made, that you may rejoice and be glad in it. Your Excellency, Acting Governor Benson Mutura, Director General, Nairobi Metropolitan Services, Major General Mohammed Badi, Speaker of the Nairobi City County Assembly, Honorable Presiding Judge, my fellow Nairobians, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a great honor of my life to stand before you today, having taken the oath of office to serve as Deputy Governor for the Nairobi City County. I would first and foremost thank His Excellency the President and the party leader of the Jubilee Party, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, for showing me his faith in me to serve in this position. I would, in the same vein, also thank Honorable Mike Sonko for having faith in me and nominating me into this position. I today affirm at this earliest opportunity my commitment to serve the people of Nairobi with utmost dedication, focus, discipline, and integrity. I equally affirm and commit in the same vein to work and cooperate closely with the Director General of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, Major General Badi, and his team to ensure the transferred functions are further strengthened and supported to ensure meeting the aspiration of the people of Nairobi. Together we will work round the clock and go that extra mile to ensure that the expectations of Nairobians are not only met, but exceeded in a bid to accelerate the socio-economic development of our beautiful city. I am committed to and will be driven by the vision and understanding of a whole of government approach to service delivery. In that light, also want to singularly commit to work very closely with the leadership and entire membership of the Nairobi City County Assembly. Together, we shall be strong, more efficient, and manage our resource better. For this reason, the public can now look forward to enhanced service delivery in Nairobi City County. I thank His Excellency, the President, for his vision of bringing us together to drive a bigger, better, and efficient service delivery model for the people of our great city. God bless you, and God bless the people of Nairobi. Thank you.
Haya, tumpe mkono wa sawasawa Deputy DG wetu. Karibu. Kufikia hapo tutaomba shehe akuja tuombee tumalize mkutano wetu wa saa hii. Karibu.